How to track a return on Shein application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have applied to cancel or return an item on Shein application and you would like to process and track it, it is quite simple. For this, you just have to tap open your Shein application and get logged in. Once you get logged in using your correct credentials, you'll have to go to the profile page by tapping on the Me button which is on the bottom right. Here you will see the option called My Orders. Scroll down a bit towards the left and then tap on Returns. Here is how you can track a return. If you cannot find it, tap on Self Service and you can use email address, phone number, order tracking number, or payment information to submit it and find the return. So this is how you can track it on Shein. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.